ThinkVision large format display. Start a new era of the modern working experience. ThinkVision large format display, made for next level conferencing. Say goodbye to messy cables and complex plugging setups. And present your content on a vast display with clear picture quality, perfectly matching the needs of your daily work. Feel free to use your hands or the pen to finish your work. Write or annotate on screen without limitation. Equipped with full access to web pages and browsing at your fingertips. The ThinkVision large format display helps to take care of all the details and make sure your information is safe. The ThinkVision large format display facilitates a great teamwork experience, seamless workflow without interruptions, no need to scramble to take notes. The ThinkVision large format display provides a great remote collaboration experience. The tailor-made AI-powered detachable camera comes with a cableless design with USB connector for an easy, toolless installation. The camera supports wide-angle adjustment, 4K camera with 1/2.8-inch lens sensor, support 4x digital zoom, exclusive privacy design, built-in bilateral 15-watt speakers and microphone array. With the ThinkVision large format display, remote collaboration is as smooth as face-to-face meetings. Leading the industry in voice tracking technology. Work beyond geographical barriers and collaborate with anyone, anywhere, at any time. Finish meetings without any security concerns.